Probability, or luck, or chance, or whatever you want to call it, plays a significant role in everything for everyone, everywhere. There's a difference between winning the lottery and getting robbed, getting into a car crash, and coming out of it alive. Now, I know some of you are thinking, if we work hard enough, we can prevent all these misfortunes. But that's what they are, misfortunes. There's no way of 100% guaranteeing that anything may or may not happen. We just gotta leave it to chance. Probability is simply how likely something is to happen. Now, the concept of probability was invented by these guys, Pierre de Fermat and Blaise Pascal in 1654. Now, in conjunction with this topic, I brought you a game. The rules of this game are as such. There are two players, let's call them player 1 and player 2. On a board of 7 squares, the game starts with a counter in the middle square. Both players roll 2 dice in turns. If the difference between the 2 dice scores is 0, 1 or 2, the counter moves left 1 space. If the difference is 3, 4 or 5, the counter moves right 1 space. If the counter reaches the farthest left square, player 1 wins. And if it reaches the farthest right square, player 2 wins. Now the game asks if these results are fair or not. Now you would think the results of this would be fairly even, or 50-50, but let's try first. Now, to ensure no variations in the dice throws and such due to physical fluctuations, my father developed this program which calculates every move for us. As you can see, the counter moves in accordance to the difference of the 2 dice. If we simulate these 100 times, the results we get are odd. In 100 games, player 1 wins 90 times, while player 2 only wins 10 times. Even if we simulate it a few hundred more times, we only get similar results. Now, the reason for this abhorrent bias is because the game is unfairly advantageous to player 1. If we chart all the potential dice combinations, we see that of 36 combinations, 24 of them favor player 1, while the other 12 favor player 2. This means for every dice roll, it is twice as likely for the counter to move left rather than right, and thus, player 1 wins nearly all of the time. Well, that's my job done. As always, big thanks to Whitey sir, and have a good day.